I'm going to show you how to put together and do orbeez, basically. How to put together and grow orbeez. Alright, you grow orbeez, you set them in water for about 2 to 3 hours. I do it overnight so they grow bigger, like let me find a big one, a really big one. I can't find one right now, but they can grow really big. Just they're bouncy and they look like. Let me show you. I'm just gonna show you one. Yes. And for the mood lamp, it only comes in 3 colors: purple, clear, and pink. So, my next video. Oh yeah, there should be a little thing about this big. You see, like this big, and then you put it in the middle of it, so all the light goes yay, like all over the place. Now, and then my next videos, like I was saying, is gonna be on. It's gonna be on Adventure. Right, Planet Orbeez Adventure Park, and then the video after that is going to be Orbeez students, about how to put that together, how to grow the Orbeez, and blah blah blah. Orbeez are very bouncy, very wet, as you can see. Bouncy. Well, you probably can't, but look. Bouncy, huh? Ah! Mine just bounced from my keys. It's a pink one. Very squishy, easy to break. And yeah, they are very slippery. And as you see, it starts to look like this. See? Almost done. It takes AA batteries, 3 AAA batteries, 3 AAA batteries, and it's not a real mood lamp. It's just like one that just changes colors. They just call it mood lamp because it changes colors. There's different activities you can do with the Orbeez. They look like this. Many different activities. And I'm almost done. You can do different designs in this, but I'm just not that artsy. I have different videos, cool crafts and stuff like that. How to make Kool-Aid, not how to make Kool-Aid, how to make Fun Dip, how to make a lot of stuff. Lip gloss. Check that out if you want. Subscribe, comment, and etc. Should start looking like this. I still have some more to put in, and as you see, it takes AAA batteries. I need to get the rest of them. I'm not going to show it later. Go away! That was my cousin Chris. He's a retard and he's stupid!
Shut up.
And, yeah.
You're just mad because
as you can
probably
see,
got you another 100 views.
No, you didn't. Alright, and yeah, it should be filled up. It's filled up all the way. Look, yay, Orbeez. Alright, now you put it on your hood and watch it light up. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe. Thank you. And Chris is a retard, so call him a retard below on the comments.
Give me some thumbs up.